You know those mads in the Qur'an? They carry meaning. So you don't just read the Qur'an, but you feel it too. Listen to this verse from Surah al-Mulk. أَوَلَمْ يَرَوْا إِلَى الطَّيْرِ فَوْقَهُمْ صَافَّاتٍ وَيَقْبِضْنَ. Before I give you the translation, notice where the mad is. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says صَافَّاتٍ with a stretch. Then وَيَقْبِضْنَ, short, sharp, with two distinct beats in the qaf and the thud. Why? Well, here's the meaning. Do they not see the birds above them spreading their wings and folding them in? Notice the connection between the mad and the meaning. Safatin is stretched as the wings are held open, wide, gliding like the wings of a bird. The sound stretches like the flight itself, floating across the air. Then comes وَيَقْبِضْنَ, the folding, the flapping, not constant but periodic. And the letters feel heavy. The qaf and the thud, thick, weighty sounds like the thud of a wingbeat as it pushes the wind to rise. Even the alif in safatin gives a sense of elevation as the bird soars high in the sky, whilst the heavy letters of qaf and thud in وَيَقْبِضْنَ give you a sense of downward beat, of the flap, of the struggle as it pushes through the air. And here's what's even more mind-blowing. The meaning isn't just in the words or the sounds, it's in the grammar too. Safatin comes as an ism, a noun. And in Arabic, nouns don't carry time, meaning it gives stability, permanence, as if the spread of the bird's wings is the default state as it glides through the air. Whereas وَيَقْبِضْنَ is a fi'l, a verb, and verbs are tied to time, happening, stopping, happening again, stopping again, because the flap is momentary, enough to rise before the glide. That's the depth of the Quranic language, the miracle of the book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala doesn't want you to just understand His words. He wants you to experience them so that you can implement them too.